Supras are clean. Supras are clean. There's nothing on them. There's still smoke coming out of the Mustang. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. These tires are pretty worn out, so I figured might as well. Wait a minute. Those are not gender reveal burnouts. You guys think I'm gonna spend $500 on some tires that throw color smoke? No, I'd rather invest that money into one of the cars. So let me show y'all what we had.
It's so funny.
So as y'all see, we have a boy. And actually, I've been pretty busy, you guys, so I didn't record anything. And my son's already born. I have him here at the house, both of my boys. So my wife is outnumbered. It's me, my 2 boys, my wife, and then my dog. So family's complete. So yeah, I didn't mean to like trick you guys, but so a long time ago with my first son, I wanted to do the whole gender reveal burnout. That wasn't until I saw the price for the tires, and then I started thinking to myself, 500 bucks on tires, what could I do with that money? So obviously I invested that into the cars instead. I think it's much more worth it. I mean, for the amount of money that I make on YouTube, doing a video like that, it's just, it doesn't make sense. So there you go, you guys. Damn, I don't mean to flex, but no, I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm only saying that because I've seen a lot of comments where people are like, oh man, why do you have 2 Supras? Oh, you're like, are you trying to show off? I don't know why people do that. Like, people are gonna hate on you no matter what, so whatever. But I'm really happy to start recording for you guys again. So it's been about a month since I've actually done anything with the cars. I mean, I'm talking to a point to where I haven't even driven this car. I haven't, the motor, obviously the car runs and everything, right? But I haven't had time to even break in the motor. So I'm still gonna record that for you guys. In regards to this one, I got a badass fuel system. I mean, badass fuel system for it. And I'll show you guys that right now. In regards to the Mustang, well, the Mustang's, you know, it's great. The only thing I could think about doing it is probably just like a refresh on the transmission. But the car, obviously, as you guys saw, performs very well. And me, well, as y'all see, I have long hair now. I was gonna cut it, but then, you know, I am going to lose my hair as I age, so I figured I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna let it grow out and see what happens. I've never done that, so nah, why not? But yeah, I miss you guys. I miss making videos. So now, honestly, let's go ahead and show you guys that fuel system for this Supra. Now, on second thought, I have the parts laying everywhere, and I think my son's asleep, so I'm not gonna go inside and wake him up. But there's boxes right there. There's some stuff over here. There's some stuff upstairs. So I'll tell you guys what it is. So it is a Weldon 2345 fuel pump. That is the same fuel pump that I run on my Supra. That is enough to hold maybe 1600 horsepower, or I think it's rated to 1800. I don't know. But I never push my fuel systems to its limit. I don't recommend you guys do that either. So we got it a Weldon 2345 fuel pump. It's gonna have FIC 1650 cc injectors. You know, it's big fuel lines. To make a long story short, I don't want to bore you guys. It's pretty much the fuel system that I have in my Supra. The same thing's gonna be for this one. That has enough fuel for about 1600. This is gonna be the same, minus the injectors. This I think is gonna be rated maybe 1200. Now, enough of that. Let's go take this baby out for a spin. So it's actually been a couple of days since that last clip you guys just saw. As soon as I was about to leave my house, it was a change of plans. I had to go and check on my father. He wasn't doing too well, but he's okay now. So then after that, we started getting a bunch of rain, and just now I got a couple hours of clear, somewhat clear skies. So I figured I gotta end this video. So here we are, driving the car once again. It's been almost a year. July 4th was the last time I drove this car, and here we are again, almost a year later. So far, she's driving just like before. I don't notice anything different. Everything's still really good. Drivability's all there. So I'm pretty happy right now, honestly. Yeah, I mean, beautiful like always. For those that don't remember, this is the road where I did that poem, the roses are red, violets are blue. Man, I miss driving this car. Driving like normal, no issues. None whatsoever. Once the motor's broken in, then I'll be able to boost it a little bit, but I mean, I'm still gonna get the car retuned, get the tune looked over. There's 5 settings on the car, and the plans are on the setting 5, I'm gonna crank up the boost as high as I can go. We'll see what it makes with that, and then afterwards I am gonna jump up to a big boy turbo, and that's when I'm really gonna find out what this baby can do. I mean, I know to most of y'all, you know, what the car makes is still a lot of horsepower, but you know, I don't know. I mean, honestly, there's not much point of the horsepower that I'm trying to make with the car other than bragging rights. It's not like I'm ever gonna use it on the street. That'll be pretty cool to say I got a 1500 horsepower Supra though. with no nitrous. Before the car made 1379, so almost 1400 horsepower. But that was with nitrous. I want to get to that with boost only. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's always awkward driving around with the camera hanging off your head. People are always gonna look at you funny. But yeah, she's doing great. No overheating. Everything looks really good. Air fuel ratios look solid. Yeah, looks good. Let's see if some of y'all recognize these roads. I'm taking the same roads I took whenever I did that cruising my 1000 horsepower Supra video, then the Supra ASMR video. These are the same roads. Honestly, I can't wait to get back to doing these POV videos, especially with the other Supra, since it's a 6-speed. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy that a lot more. was gonna get onto 35, but I'm gonna get a lot of traffic, and I don't want to deal with that right now. of you guys refer to this car as the heart of the channel. Are you guys pretty happy to have it back? Because I guarantee you one thing, I'm not gonna slow down as far as, you know, what I did with this car. I know a lot of people were telling me that I drove the car too hard, but I mean, at the end of the day, that's what the car is for. I mean, I'm not the type of person who's gonna build a car just to have it look pretty in the garage. No, I'm gonna enjoy the hell out of it. If it breaks, it breaks, and you know, it is what it is. So let me know if you guys are pretty happy to get this car back. This car sounds really good, you know, with the exhaust that it has now. I am tempted just to do a straight pipe just to see how it sounds. I know it's gonna sound crazy loud. It's already loud now, but let me know if you guys would like to see hear how it sounds. Alright guys, well, rolled up the window so you guys can hear me. So as you guys see, the car works fine. It drives fine. Drivability is there, sounds good, does the flutter just like it used to. So I guess now it's just time for me to put some miles in it, drive it a lot more often, so that way I can go get the tune revised and start ripping on it once again. I know a lot of you guys last year were, I know a lot of you guys did ask me for like ride-alongs and stuff. And last year, right before I was about to do that, you know, the whole pandemic thing hit, and it kind of just shot my plans, you know, way off, and then the motor blew up. So last year just overall wasn't as planned for this car. So I would like to tell you guys that this year, once the car is back up and done, tuned, everything's good, I am gonna start doing the reaction videos again. So one of you guys, or maybe some of you guys, will be lucky enough to get a ride in this car. So if you want a chance to get into the car, make sure you guys stay subscribed, keep on watching all the videos, stay notified, follow me on TikTok. Also, I'm trying to see if I can grow the car gets a lot of attention. I'm trying to see if I can grow the whole TikTok deal. I'm having a lot of fun with this, so I figured I'd give it a shot. But anyways, like I said, if you guys want to win a chance to get into the car, make sure you guys watch all the videos, because it may not be a video of this car where I'll announce that I'm gonna give you guys a ride. So make sure you guys watch all the videos. But until then, you guys, I'm gonna enjoy this cruise, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.